This is not a TV screen. It's just a display screen with a tricolor projector. This device offers more than 1 billion colors. Position the device just 6 inches from the wall, will give you the best view in all lighting conditions. You don't need a display screen either, your wall will give you amazing results too. But if you want to turn your living room into a cinema hall, then bring one and you will like the light and colors more. This mat can be reused again in just couple of seconds. ProArt offers a versatile multi-tool cleaning kit, repair and restore iPhone and iPad lighting ports, cables, and connectors. Now move any hot plate or glass without worrying with these pliers. They are perfect for any materials. This camera is your safe driving companion. It is more than just a car security camera, it records everything in the car and stores videos, but it connects with a direct agent. Where if there is an accident or anything, the agent can call the emergency directly to help you. There is also a button that you can press if you are in a panic, and the agent will call the police to help you. Maintain a refreshing drink until the last drop with these. Place TEDDYSNAPZS on your loose jeans to make them tighter. This versatile suitcase is converted into ride-on suitcase. It's capable of supporting 100 kilograms. You get the best camera for meeting room. It contains everything that professionals need in their meetings. It also rotates 360 degrees so that everyone participates in the meeting. It also tracks the voices and gives you several live photos of everyone in the meeting as well. Now making a latte art is easier. This page holder can make your life easier. If you are a fan of sand, then this magnetic sand will make your day. It also comes with a pair of magnets to make wonderful sand shapes. Look at these beautiful shapes that may occupy your mind and clear your mind. Tell me about your opinion in the comments. This range hood is a powerful solution to eliminate exhaust fumes, with its impressive suction power. With 3 different brush functions, this brush is the perfect one for cleaning. Look at this visual trick that works with the principles of mathematics. When you rotate it, a series of waves with attractive patterns appear. and the reverse winding returns it to the initial state again. It also works as a beautiful decoration for the house, don't you think so? You're a student or even like taking selfies, this foam MO22 and MO2 printer will make your life easier now. If you are afraid of cheating when using dice, bring this glass cup. Throw the dice inside and enjoy the beautiful sounds of rolling the dice. And get in the other a satisfactory result without cheating. And the dice tray keeps the dice in a collected place so as not to get lost from you. Experience instant grip, support, and control with KeyWing. This gel is used as removable adhesive under glass water. This could be handy if you have kids. Mi Foam Jiao and I is putty sealant commonly used for patching various gaps and joints. Now you can see celestial bodies in amazing detail, as scientists do without the interference of city lights. With a technology that reduces light pollution. It is also connected to an application by which you can save your photos. And see the heavenly library, which makes it easier for you to find the most beautiful areas in the sky. If you are super lazy, you can make any device at home smart so you can use it from your phone, with this little cube. These three-dimensional screens will take you to the future. With three-dimensional images you can interact with them as you like. And control them with gestures and even change their color. You can also make your own photo by making some movements in front of the camera, and so you also become a three-dimensional image. This iGadget works like a tiny humidifier and create healing steam that moisturize your eyes after hours of screens. This swivel faucet is designed to prevent splashing. And to allow water to flow in multiple directions. Nev Ether Pre-Poo Powder is a natural powder that stops smells, sounds, and splash. Enjoy your favorite drink with these cups built with automatic stirrer. The new Libel stroller has one of the world's smallest compact folds. For keeping your beverage fresh and stores for long time. Make the opening even easier if you have nails you want to keep. Pasta Drive is the practical motor that facilitates processing dough and cutting your pasta.